I need awesome Galaxy A.
Why?
Because. I need awesome camera.
Why?
Because. I need awesome low-light video! I need awesome durability.
Why?
That's why. Remember me.
I need awesome screen.
Why?
I need awesome battery life.
Why?
Because yesterday was the best day I've ever had with you, Dad. And with this awesome battery, we can keep going for a whole nother day. I need awesome security.
Oh no.
I need awesome power.
Why?
I need
We need awesome Galaxy A.
Why?
Awesome screen, awesome camera, long-lasting battery life. 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 Awesome screen.
Awesome is for everyone.